You can see here he's got it flagged right here. Took a short in the euro currency. He's using the looks like the 1,000 share bar chart here. So what he's saying here, you don't have to necessarily trade the E-mini S&P or the ER with our software guys. Now we do tell you any market, any time frame for a reason. So this is a screenshot from Mike, who was proud of himself. I asked him to send me the screenshot, and he did. He just started trading us when he joined last week. So he set for himself, looks like a daily profit goal, he told me, of $300 a day. And that would cover his daily expenses and put money in the bank for his goal of financial freedom. So that's what he's trying to do. Again, can't stress enough, if you've made your daily profit target for the day, then maybe stop trading. I'll slide this over so you can see it. I left this up on the screen. So he bought the software last week, guys, and he entered and exited when he made his $300 profit target. So congratulations to you, Mike. There are some days when some of the markets are a little choppier than others, but boy, the euro currency was a sweet moving market today, wasn't it? So again, thanks, Mike, for sending that to me. It looks like, just looking at things this morning, guys, and the PVM numbers, C72 is greater than 49. Give you permission to take a short on a red. That occurred right here. Looks like about 413. 57 was less than 66 on the bullish side, so they gave you permission as well. Good market to trade. Mike, he liked the actual futures market for the euro currency versus trying to trade a Forex market, he said, because this market, to him, he had the security of this being a regulated market. So let's just follow this down. You can see 56, less than 57. There's an add-on right there, it looks like. And then 53 was less than 56. This market just tumbled. Looks like he had another potential add-on in there. Okay, we can see where Mike pretty much entered the market. Look at there, you just keep taking them today. Way to go, Mike. 32 is less than 49. All right, this is where Mike came in on this one right here. So you have permission to take a short. Now on this one, you didn't have permission to take a short, but you're already short here. Actually, had several opportunities to be going short. And that's where Mike came in and took his, it looks like, based upon the chart he sent me. So good market to trade. Fantastic market to trade today. And now it's kind of petered out over here, but great moves this morning. Fantastic. So congratulations again to you, Mike. Way to go. All right, well, you can see it's British pound, US dollar, 15 here in the data window. Let's take a look at what happened today. Again, this is a live chart of the British pound, US dollar, 15-minute time frame. I just kind of left it where it was at yesterday. I did a couple of charts on the 15-minute time frame, so what the hey, just key that in. Let's take a look. Again, about 2 a.m.-ish. I'll spread this out. This is 2 a.m. I've got it marked here. Anytime after that, you're kind of looking for a trade. And so I could see basically 74 is greater than 53, giving permission to take a short on a red. So that would be right here. Now you have permission 77 is greater than 57 to go long, but you got a red in here. And let's see here. Looks like he came in at 99.35. And the software rounds are off to 5 decimal places, guys. You only need 4, but you get that much precision with the software. Yeah, you guys that have been PMing me later, I'm just going to go on hold with you guys, okay? I'm going to get over these charts a little bit before we run out of time. So 99.35 was the entrance price, guys. You have 3 sell targets. 99.20 is the first one. If you want to use the 2-contract money management system, you can turn on the stop 3 indicator. You don't have to use the stop 3 indicator, but and still you can trade with the 2-contract money management system. But I'm just trying to say, if you wanted to use it, you could use it, okay? And you can reach. You can see there was a sale here at 4 o'clock. And it may have made its first profit target down to what, 99.20. If not, you just take your losers as usual. Made it down to 99.23. May have got stopped out. You just come back in, guys. This is what you had permission to take. So you come in at looks like 6:15 this morning on a sell, your additional sell. Your first sell target was at 98.82. I rounded that up, as I always do. Your stops at 99.33, rounding that up. And it looks like since you came in at 98.99, and the market's been as low and still moving down so far as 97.98 or 97.97, depending on which way you want to round that. So looking at the British pound US dollar, for the guy I was talking to here, yeah, I can see if this is your market, yeah, good chance to make some good profits in there. No doubt about that. Okay, just leaving it on the 15-minute time frame. A lot of the Forex guys, I'm not a Forex trader. I looked into the Forex market about 4 years ago, and to be honest with you, the way I'm seeing these markets move, I'm getting pretty excited about it again. But I know that a lot of the day traders that are trading Forex like 15-minute time frame, some of them like the half hour, some like the 10 minutes. So I'll just go with the 15 minutes since that's what's in. And let's just take a look. We can see this is where the market for the euro dollar, US dollar is going this morning. Again, I can see there's a variety of numbers here. 62 is greater than 14 on the bearish side. Give me permission to take a short in the future. It looks like a short came in right here. That's about, what, 445? So that was at, what, 1.5740. And again, the first sell target at 57.25 or 26, rounding it up, 57.26. Most of these markets in the regular full market, if you're trading a full-size contract, trade about $10 a pip. Some of them, there's some variance in there, but most of the markets, if they have a US dollar attached to it, seem to trade about $10 a pip. Forex traders know more about this than I would, but if you factored that out, you can see it at $10 a pip per contract. It winds up being quite a bit of money. Well, at 45, let's see here, we came in at 34, down to 26, 25, so that's about 8 or 9 pips to the first profit target. So it's about $80 or $90 per contract just to get to the first profit target. And the market's been as low so far this morning as 55.85. We'll round that up. 55.85, sitting right now at 55.95. So you can see what a tremendous price move this has been in the euro dollar, US dollar this morning. Very, very profitable. All right, so Forex trading, guys, even though you don't get volume information reported, because the markets don't report it, doesn't mean the volume's not there. We do have a way of getting the PVM numbers, the price volume momentum numbers. Despite that fact, you can see certainly there's great trades to be had. Easy to find the trades. Here's the first of the year. Actually, I can see there's a short in there, and then it looks like there's a long in there. 35.98 is less than 45.63. So actually, you could have gone short right after the first year in oil, using the same techniques that we're using here. If you were in that trade, using the trailing stop line, as a position trader, you can still use the trailing stop line. See that? Now you can see we had 35.83. That's less than the previous number of 37.95. You had permission to go long on a blue right here on what looks like February 11th. So you had a good trade there.